It's day 5 of heatwave conditions for the southwestern interior on Friday, where it will yet again be sizzling hot. Thankfully, the mercury is a little bit low over the coastal regions, but still warm to very warm the afternoon. But extremely high temperatures will persist over the interior of the northern, western, as well as the western interior of the Eastern Cape, where temperatures will soar close to 40 degrees. And then yet again, the complete opposite over northeastern South Africa, where it will remain quite coolish and cloudy with the showers on and off on Friday. Now, that high pressure system in the upper levels of the atmosphere responsible for the heat shifting a little bit more northwards on Saturday, and cooler weather expected to move in over the southwest, but unfortunately remaining hot in parts of Namakwa as well as our neighboring country Namibia. In the lower levels, we've got this reaching high that's responsible for the onshore flow of tropical moisture moving in from the Mozambican Channel over northeastern South Africa, where we are expecting showers and thunderstorms to continue into Friday. Most of the heavy showers and stormy weather expected overnight into the early hours of Friday morning, falling there in the low veld of Limpopo and spreading into Mpumalanga. That's exactly where the South African Weather Service has issued a yellow level 4 warning for the possibility of flooding, as more rain is expected to fall over already saturated ground, with scattered storms spreading into the bushvelds and a few isolated storms are likely over northwest as well as parts of Gauteng. The wind will continue to blow fresh to strong northeasterly along the east coast on Friday, and then finally into Friday evening, we've got a southerly breeze that will pick up in Cape Town as well as along the west coast. Let's zoom into the Western Cape, and as mentioned, heatwave conditions are over for the coastal regions but will persist for the interior. Vredendal, Clan William, as well as Worcester, around 40 degrees. Very early on Friday, we're expecting some fog over the coast that will thankfully bring much cooler breeze in on Friday morning, but then heating up the afternoon yet again to 30 degrees, 37 expected in Worcester, and temperatures also in the upper 30s for the interior of the Western Cape, 40 degrees in Oudtshoorn and mid 30s for the Karoo. We're expecting temperatures in the upper 20s for the southern coastline, and also heatwave conditions will persist up until Saturday for the western interior of the Eastern Cape. That northeasterly wind blowing moderate to strong along the east coast and heating up over the rest of the Eastern Cape, with maximum temperatures around 30 degrees. Partly cloudy skies over the northeastern regions of KwaZulu-Natal. We're expecting foggy patches at first over the interior, but warming up the afternoon with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s. Another mainly cloudy day from Mpumalanga. It's quite coolish at times, with showers overnight into Friday morning falling in the low veld, and then later isolated to scattered showers expected to move over the high veld with only 17 degrees in eMakhazeni. Another mainly cloudy and quite cool day for Limpopo, with heavy rain showers expected overnight into Friday morning in the Kruger National Park, and thunderstorms will redevelop in parts of the bushveld on and off throughout Friday. In northwest, we're expecting a few isolated storms to bubble up over the northeastern regions the afternoon, with lots of high-level cloud moving over the province. And then another sizzling hot day for Namakwa land during heatwave conditions on Friday, and then later that southerly breeze picking up along the coast, with also high-level cloud and some mid-level cloud expected over the interior. Same for the Free State. It's a partly cloudy to mainly cloudy day with maximum temperatures in the upper 20s, and for Gauteng remaining quite coolish on Friday. Lots of cloud overhead with here and there a shower falling, and then much later thunderstorms could redevelop. Let's have a look at your weekend forecast, and the wind picking up that southeastern Cape Town on Saturday. Still quite warm at 28 degrees and remaining mainly cloudy over northeastern South Africa. Temperatures are slightly warmer in the mid-20s with isolated to scattered storms expected. And then due to the heat, we're expecting a few thunderstorms to drift over parts of the northern Cape, spread into the western regions of the Free State and the Eastern Cape. Similar conditions expected on Sunday. Storms will develop due to the heat over the interior of South Africa. The wind picking up in Cape Town, foggy patches in the Eastern Cape, and isolated to scattered storms over northeastern South Africa. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely Friday.